think Missfit wants to touch your hand. Exaggerating that throttle pull. Sorry, what's that? What? You want to go to sleep? It's really that bad. It's the fun part. This part gets me hard.
Yeah, well, it gets me scared.
Yeah, get the fuck out of my way. Look, I'll be like setting the tone so everyone sort of moves along. They like big scary bikes, so.
What are you saying about my bike?
I think we should aim for that lane on the left. I sort of overstepped myself here.
Oh, I can't.
Oh well, I'll meet you at the crossroad.
I can hear a wee woo.
Wee woo. Wee woo wee woo. No drone zone.
Oh,
Not welcome. They probably got like weapons to shoot them down and block the signals. Bring
Do you remember that drone was over Gatwick?
What's that?
Do you remember that drone was over Gatwick?
Oh yeah, halted planes.
Well, we can't turn left here.
We can turn right.
That's fine, it's one big circle anyway. Oh look! The feds.
Feds. They're protecting the garden.
Well, they've got to do something, haven't they?
You can hot bikes. Yeah, go on. That's a good meme. That's a pretty good meme. I like it. She got bored of being on my bike. Oi! Okay, there's a left coming up. Oh, 6 tons. So you're gonna have to turn back.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh shit!
I'm gonna get you when you get off your bike.
I'm not gonna stop. You'll have to wait till I run out of fuel and I just topped up.
It's alright, my bike's more economical than yours.
Here we are. Here we are.
Here are the majestic gates.
If they were trying to stop motorcycles, they would have had a more effective off, and then we could do our thing.
Punch him. He said that there's a 6-ton sign, so I'd have to turn back. Punch him.
Okay.
I think she hurt her hand.
Oh no.
Oh, bless her. Come on, get out. Where am I? I was going to overtake, but then I saw there was a car behind me, so I didn't.
That's what you were meant to do.
Alright. Sorry, Dad. Now where are we going?
Straight. I think we could get into the left again.
Can we?
Yeah, just wait for dude here. He's following.
our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. The roof comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my hyper ass, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my hyper ass, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.